Back to another banger. I got the boy over here, but if you guys haven't seen my bug already, it's pretty popping, you know. But that's not what we're here to do today. What we're here to do is, as you guys know, well, Hyro, do you want to tell everybody what happened?
What?
Do you want to tell everybody what happened?
What was like?
We'll fix that later.
Yeah, facts. Fucking, I was like, I was just chilling, you know, and the cooling line for the heater core decided to take a shit, and then I ran there like that, lifted the head gasket, and then took a shit, you know.
Yeah. So this guy was like probably like 2 miles away from my other house, and he popped this line. I believe it's this line right here, this coolant hose that goes to your heater core back here, and he decided to drive like it. But it was literally like just cut in half. Like it wasn't like leaking. It was like it literally just dumping all the coolant out. And he tried to drive it like that, and the car shut off on him. And usually when that happens to you, you've done a lot of damage to your motor. So with that being said, we have to get a new motor, you know. I'm gonna try to find the clip, but there's a clip of when he turns it on and there's a bunch of white smoke coming out.
I mean, I could have gotten it replaced, but what they charge to get it replaced, might as well get a new.
Yeah, of course. Cause why not, you know? And we'll dive into this a little bit later, but it's under all this greatness right here. Yeah, I heard Fresh Kish runs a similar setup too. So, but we got a lot of work to do. So I'm gonna buzz down. I really don't wanna bore like everybody with this, so I'm gonna try to time lapse a whole lot of it because it's pretty annoying, and we've done a lot of this on my Z as well, so it's not hard. I mean, I figured every single time we run into something hard, I'll just pick up the camera and tell you guys, but I mean, it's not hard. It's just a lot of work. So let's get to it. Alright, so we're here. Not much going on, to be honest, but we got the top off. Kind of currently doing the harness, and then after that we're gonna start doing like all the other boring stuff, like the lines and stuff. We need to take a look at the other engine to see if we have to take off the power steering or the AC, if we could just leave them here and then put them back on when we put the other motor on. But I want to show you guys how many leaks this thing has. Starting with the valve covers. This one's a little bit worse. I think it's terrible.
Way worse.
Yeah, this sensor was cracked too. That's for the VVL. I think it's pronounced VVL on these cars. And if you look at this, it's leaking from it's leaking from right there. That's a thermostat. It's been gunked up for years. Look at this stuff, bro. On the dipstick. Look at this. Look at my finger. Look at my finger. That was on the dipstick, bro. No. I just picked your car's belly button. I need to see what's up with this, bro. Mine never hit right here, but it's like actually like it looks like it's cutting it, you know, like over so many years. You know what I'm talking about?
You think so, or you think it's just a sign because it has like a big ass space between it, like where it goes?
But look, it's touching it.
Yeah.
And like on the bottom it's flat. Like it's not round, it's flat on the bottom. You see it?
Yeah.
It's flat. And like, look at this. Fuck. Look at this, bro. This thing was, sheesh. This thing's leaking from everywhere. Look at the crank seal. Can you guys see that in the back? The crank seal. That thing is effed up, man.
Filthy.
Look at this down here. Also disgusting. The alternator also disgusting. Right here, I think it's leaking. I don't know if it's leaking power steering, but sheesh. And everything's kind of rusted out too, to be honest. Well, this is well, I already bought it with another motor. This car, the chassis has 200,000 miles, right?
Yeah.
200 something.
Like 100, so.
Yeah, 200 or something. This motor probably like 100,000 maybe. You don't think so?
Yeah.
Probably like that.
Cause when I got it, I had 70.
Yeah, cause it was pretty
like
bad.
2 years passed, so no moment.
Yeah. Yeah, this thing, I don't know.
2 years of daily driving and handing out
crazy,
gas, you know?
This thing like leaked from like everywhere, bro, and it's still like, you know, it was still decently quick, you know.
VHR for the win, you know. Lasted this long.
But hopefully
on the engine, you know, it just lasts.
This full. But let me show you guys the difference. This one looks like brand new. You guys see that? Like even the upper oil pan. You see that? You see that? Okay. Look at this one. Sheesh. This one's been crying, my dude. And it's like leaking from right here, which doesn't really even make sense. But jeez, yeah, this one's, you can't even see the upper oil pan. It's just black. Alright, so this one's a little bit different than mine. For mine, I can use like the 3/8 one, but for this one, I need 1/2-inch drive to like take off the tensioner. But we don't have time for that right now, you know. Ira said it's gonna go flying. If this goes flying and hurts somebody, please leave a like in the video.
No.
Oh, crazy!
Never mind.
It did go flying.
A little bit, you know?
Just right here. So this is what we're gonna leave off for today. I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow because what we got done is we have all the accessories off and the alternators in the trunk. And all the wiring is off. This is all disconnected. I just left it right here so I can close the hood. The only wire I didn't get was for the starter. That's all the way in the back near the tranny, but once we disconnect the tranny bolts, that will come off and we don't have to worry about that. Other than that, possibly the mounts. Oh, the exhaust, obviously the exhaust, take it off, and then for the motor mounts, and that's it. Then we pull it off. Okay, everything else is off. All the water lines are disconnected. Yeah, I feel cool, bro. It wasn't, honestly though, it wasn't that bad. It was all the same thing as my car as soon as we got past the radiator support, and that was it.
Yeah, that was
so we're just gonna pick this up tomorrow, you know.
Fuck it. Imagine slamming.
Alright, day 2, ladies and gentlemen. So biggest challenge for today, I believe. Well, taking out the motor shouldn't be too hard, but I think it's disconnecting the tranny bolts. It's gonna be the mish.
Top ones, bro.
Yeah, the top ones. The bottom ones, como sea, you know, but the top ones, you know. But I'm gonna figure that out. We're gonna buzz down. I brought a few more tools over here. Always ready to work, you know. I haven't been showing much of the progress because it's like tedious, hard to reach places. Harry's underneath trying to take off the tranny bolts. He's finishing up right now. Something very annoying is this like harness right here to like get, there's a lot of sensors back there, and there's like a bolt to move it to get rid of the tranny bolts. It's such a pain in the butt. But I have it pulled up a little bit, and it like there's a bolt right here that's facing like that. Super annoying to take off, but I don't know if it was mandatory to take off, but it helped. What's going on?
These are for the fucking starter way.
Okay, well there's oh yeah, the starter ones are smaller.
Yeah, I'm just seeing the fucking starter move back and forth.
Yeah, just let it fall. It'll fall right there, and I could just pull it off from over here. I think.
No.
This is basically what I did. I just put the ratchet in there. It's an 18. it kind of sits in the right to where it doesn't move like that. So I don't know. I always see my dad do stuff like that, so I just kind of like copy him.
Ah, fuck.
Yes, sir.
Fuck, wait.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So you guys know it works. You guys know it works.
Fuck.
Yeah, I got that disconnected. Got this fuel line disconnected. It's a quick disconnect. So you take off this tab right here. And then on the sides, on the inside, there's 2 pins that go from this side and this side. You just squeeze them and pull that thing out. And it's going to leak a little bit, but not a lot. See? Oh, well, now it's leaking when I shake it, obviously. But it doesn't leak a lot. It's a quick disconnect, something easy. The bolts for the motor mounts are already off too. So I believe the only thing that there's honestly left to do is how we're finishing up the tranny bolts. And then what fell? Oh, I'll get it right now. And then the test pipe bolts, the top ones, the 3 for the header and the test pipe. And honestly, after that,
I'm pretty much done with the tranny bolts.
Oh, I guess we're done. Yeah, I had to deal with the nightmare trying to get the 2 bolts right here. There's like a bracket blocking one of them. The 2 center ones, the one on the driver's side is easier. The one on the passenger side was a nightmare because it's behind a bracket, and you can't even see like where they're at. You just kind of have to guess with your hands. And this harness gets in the way, man. It's super annoying, but at least we did it, you know? Yeah, that one's stuck.
So where's the crack at?
Oh, it's right here. You see it? Look at that.
Hold on.
Like it's missing the whole piece, you know?
Hold on. What the fuck?
But the homie said 1 more PSI, huh?
Yeah. I guess it couldn't handle the boost, you know?
This is a motor. The plate should be right here. That tells you the motor, no? No, yeah, see? VQ37. You guys can see that right there, VQ37. We're not gonna put it in right now. We're just gonna take off the other one, but we had to obviously uncover it to get the other stuff out of there, so. So I gotta assemble this thing. For me, it seems pretty straightforward. No, lay down, lay down, lay down.
It's like that?
No, but you can use it like that. What is here, para? Stand it up like that. And then these, well, these we can just insert in that, you know?
Yeah.
Like these, you would put them on like on the car.
Yeah.
And then you just put the pin on top, like when you're done, you know?
Yeah.
All right, so this is what I did. I just basically, it was a nightmare with chains, man. Wrapped it around the header. That's what we're gonna go with. Wrapped it around the header. It goes over twice, so we should be good. And then I tightened it to one of the header bolts at the end, and yeah, we're gonna try it and pull this sucker out, man. I'm already trying to be done for today.
Crazy. Trying to see how fucked up my clutch was after all them banging gears, you know?
Oh, I should have thought about that.
It's rotating. Oh, crazy. No, you ready? Fuck it. Crazy. Doesn't look that bad, huh?
To be honest, this still has life in it. This has a lot of life in it. You see it?
Yeah.
How did it go like this, no?
I thought it'd be worse, why lie?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be clapped out. Like clapped out. This doesn't actually look. This actually looks pretty good though.
Hey, who needs that? $300. Ah, imagine.
How crazy. No, this is still good, bro. When I took off mine were all the way to the bottom.
No, eh?
Like wearing out the indicators.
Esa mamá.
Yeah, this one.
That shit has a lot of heat spots,
yeah,
though.
a lot of heat spots. That's a gear bang. That's a gear being banged. That's another gear being banged. That's a gear being grinded, I think. That's a gear being banged. You see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's, I mean, it's not in terrible condition. Look at that. Nissan.
Yes, sir. OEM clutch, you feel me?
Oh, crazy. Oh,
crazy.
Finally take that bitch out. That's what's up, Byron. That's what's up.
Oh, crazy. Take off everything.
What on?
Oh.
Alright, we're back at the crib. I was pretty tired at the end of the day, man. We were there for like pretty much the whole day. And back at the crib with the bug. Something else did come out of today that I also want to address, because we're gonna wait to order parts and whatnot for the motor. But other than that, I want to show you guys what I got for my car, off Hyro's car, right? Off the old motor. I got, as you can see, I went shopping. The upper, I got the upper oil pan and I got the lower oil pan. Now I got those because I need that, because I broke my upper oil pan again over tying the oil pressure sensor, because I didn't want it to leak because it was leaking a lot, and it just broke the piece of the metal off, so I had to get a new one. The lower oil pan, I just got a new one because I don't know, maybe mine's work, maybe not. I just got it because it was there. So with that being said, we're gonna get back into doing that to my car, because we just messed it up doing some maintenance, and after that I'll be back on the road. Cherry, and I have some other mods that I've been waiting to throw on, but I didn't want to because I want to make videos on those, because I want to I didn't because I want to make video on those. So with that being said, now we got more content. I'm letting you guys see the preview. I just want you guys to know this all goes this all goes kind of behind the scenes, and I don't really always do the behind the scenes stuff here. Like, I don't really show you guys, but there's like, I have a lot planned and there's a lot in the works, and I want you guys to see the vision. But you know, I'll just show you. I can show you right better than I can tell you. You feel me? So with that being said, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope you guys are taking care of you guys yourself. I hope you guys are doing good. You know, it's been a crazy year, but I'm happy. You know, like I'm glad for the things that have happened in my life, even though some of them have been bad. They all taught me things. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys subscribe. It's free, and we're gonna have a bunch of dope stuff coming on the way. So I hope you guys hit that bell as well, and never miss out on another banger, because they're coming out quick. I hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.